Yo. Look what I found on Amazon. Look at this. Look at this. A magnetic wireless charging pad. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. So basically, this one is from Seneo, and this is the magnetic wireless charging pad for your iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pros. As long as you have that MagSafe on the back, you'll be able to use this. Now, I want to ask you, maybe you have an older phone, it doesn't have the MagSafe compatibility. You'll be able to do that as well. I'll show you an instructions down in the description below. There's a link there, and there's a video to show you on how to get your own little MagSafe back for any phone that you want. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. Boom. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. This one has a compatibility of a 15-watt max. So depending on your phone, like I said, if you have an Android phone or maybe an iPhone 12, you'll be able to do 15 watts. If you have an older device like iPhone 10, iPhone 10s I believe can only go up to like 7 watts. And if I was not mistaken, 10 watts for iPhone 11s. So there you go. Let's go ahead and see what we get out of this box. A little bit of padding right there. There you go. Let's take this out. And there you go. Nice 6-foot cable right there. Very nice. There's a charging puck right there. Very nice. Here, as you can see, very cool. It comes with a USB-A and a USB-C compatible end. So that's very nice. You'll be able to just do that and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, we have a block here from Coinsquare, and basically this is a 60-watt block. And we're just going to plug this in today and show you what we got. Here what we have is a tester, a USB tester. I'm going to plug this in as well, so that you guys can see the wattage of how much power are we getting. So right now we're using the wired connection to the Coinsquare, and as you guys can see, how much wattage am I getting? About 7 watts. So now we're gonna test this out and see if it even works on the back right there. Magnetic, right? And as you can see right up there, it's charging. Very good. Now let's see how much wattage am I getting out of these. So you can see we are getting about 4.5, about 5 watts out of that. That's pretty good. We are using the USB-A as well, not the USB-C yet. Now let's test out if we get more power out of it using the USB-C. So as you could see there, it's about 8 watts now. It's about 8 watts, and basically I'm getting more on the USB-C side compared to the USB-A, but this one I am also getting more out of the wired connection on my iPhone 10, so that's very nice. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the Seneo wireless charging puck. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you got an iPhone 10, this can go up to 15 watts. We are only using the iPhone 10, so we're already beating the wired connection. That's pretty good. So if you want to get one of these, I'll link everything down below. Also, if you want to know how I was able to get a MagSafe back, just to stick this on. These are made for iPhone 10s. It still works for older devices as long as you have this method. I'll link that video below as well. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.